Whenever you discuss about the temperature of the place, conceptually also whenever we start the climatology, we always study what are the factors which determine the temperature of the place. So one of the most important factors which come is definitely your latitudes and the altitudes. So first of all, we can see latitude is here, altitude is here. Obviously 0 to 23.5 will having the insolation, maximum insolation, right? But in the polar region, which is where in the 90 degree, we are not having that much of insolation, right? So definitely latitudes matter. Next is altitude. I have again discussed a lot of examples of altitude. In the same place, in the same latitudes, we can have the differing temperatures. Why? Because one is at the lower elevation, the other one is at the higher elevation. The best example of it is Kerala. Kerala is also having the -2 degrees Celsius where in Munnar, where it is having a higher elevation, right? At the same time, we also have the lower elevation and beaches present in Kerala. So this is the best example. Now ocean currents. How ocean currents influence the temperature of the area? For example, if we have the warm currents will give what? It will basically rise in the temperature of the area. That's why at the 60 degree latitudes, the English Channel is not frozen and it is free of the frost and the ice. Therefore, it is the most busiest port of the world and we can easily navigate here, right? Because of the warm current taking place here. Next, fourth one is the proximity to the larger water bodies. Yes, this is obviously, so all four are correct.